We are on our way to Zambales to go to the beach together as a family for the first time. Kasama namin si Maddie mag-beach. So, dito naman yung room namin. Meron din siya sa taas. Pero lahat kami dito na lang sa baba magsistay. Si Maddie nasa loob na ng kulambo. While Daddy is fixing the kulambo. Ayan.
Hello, kulambo.
Sino yan? Nasa loob ng kulambo. Ayusin mo daw, Daddy. Ayan, finally. Okay na yung kulambo.
Si Maddie, pakita mo.
Maddie. Maddie. Hi. Hi everyone. Hi. Ay, ayaw mo. So, nagpahinga lang kami ng onte and then naglakad na kami papunta sa beach. Ayan, para makita namin yung sunset. Yay! Maddie's first time at the beach. First time. Woo! Maddie! Woo!
Three of us at the beach. Maddie, ano ko? Maddie!
Yay! To the beach to watch the sunrise, and syempre magpipicture kami habang sunrise. Ayan, si Maddie gising. Diretso na yan. Pagkadeta niya, hindi na natulog. Hi! Maddie! Maddie! Smile kay Daddy! Smile! Kanina nakasmile eh.
Smiling. Smile.
Back at the beach, and si Miguel nagsa-surfing siya, so kami ni Maddie dito muna. Nakaswimming si Maddie, nakapang-swimming ka, so magsiswim kami maya-maya. Hi baby!
So I do love mama and pa, not the way I do love you. Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I've never loved one like you. Man, oh man, my best friend, I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy, pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. Ain't nothing please me more than you. Home, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Home, let me come home. Home is wherever I'm with you.
It's the next day and lumabas muna kaming tatlo to go to church. Syempre, kahit saan kami magpunta, we will always look for a church if it's church day. So, pagbalik namin sa resort, nagpahinga muna kami and then when we woke up, ayan, nag-makeup na ako ulit kasi pupunta na kami sa beach. Ang dali lang alagaan ni Maddie kasi nakaupo lang siya habang nagme-makeup ako at pinapanood niya lang ako. I can even do my eyeliner kahit nabuhat ko siya. Pretty na, like you?
Hi guys, look at my beautiful wife. And our daughter.
Maddie!
Yung si Maddie.
Gusto na niya magdede. Okay, so milk break muna si Maddie. Syempre, kahit saan magpunta, kung nagugutom na yung baby, wala tayong magagawa. Yan. So, pahinga lang din muna ako here while taking care of her. It is now the next day and super aga pa lang, lumabas na kami so we can take these awesome pictures sa sunrise. Grabe, super ganda talaga mag-picture sa labas kapag sunrise. Maggie. Hi. Kiss, 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 kiss. Now, we are on our way home. Last day namin yon, yung nagpicture kami ng sunrise. And ang ganda talaga ng view, kaya binidyohan ko si Maddie. Behave si Maddie the whole time. For 4 hours na biyahe, nandyan lang siya. Syempre, lumalabas kami kapag stopover, pero ayun, nagsistip lang siya sa kanyang car seat. And hindi ako binahirapan talaga ng baby na to ever. So, ayun. Nag-voice over ako eh. Ayun, okay guys, bye!